Alright guys, so I basically removed all of the fasteners up at the top. It's probably a lot easier if you remove the ones at the bottom as well. I didn't do that. I was feeling a bit lazy, but it still gave me enough clearance. I'm able to pull this off down. And here's the old horn right there. So I'm pretty much going to remove the old horn. You could just unscrew it right here. That's it. So this is the old horn. There's this connection which I removed simply by stripping it, which connects so there was one connection which is right here. You can simply simply slides out just like this. It was connected by one single blue wire, which is down here, which I connected with the red wire that came with my harness kit. It also had a black wire, which I'm going to attach to or connect to a ground right here. Okay. So following the kit, it also came with another ground wire here, which is connected here. It came with the red wire, which is connected to the battery right here. It has a fuse and two wires connecting each horn. I have two sets. So the horn comes with this. There's a green dot. That's going to be your positive. Another one, green. So I'm looking to mount it right here. So by the radiator, this one screw right there. We have this, and I'm gonna see if I can mount it right there, and it'll look sort of like that when it's closed. It's pretty tight, but that looks like my only option without having to drill any holes. I don't really feel like drilling any holes. Okay, so it's sort of a tight fit. I had to bend this little bracket right here. So you see it's kind of curved. It's a tight fit, so I still like where I'm mounting it. You can probably find some other place. I don't want to drill anything, but it works. Like I said, it's a pretty tight fit, but it's on there. So first one's already mounted. Second one, I'm removing this screw. Which is a 5x16. So here's the new look. And press the button. Press it.